Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So after the devastation that the Super Star Destroyer caused yesterday, I thought I'd put the Ori up against it and see what happens.
I suppose you would prefer a mission that had us facing a dozen galores.
That's Hugh, by the way, if you didn't already know.
Red alert, shields up.
Okay. That didn't do much, though we're not that close range. So I've got 3 Ori ships, which I think is fair enough considering what they did to the Romulans. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Go for that reactor.
A little extra power to the impulse engines might speed things up a bit, sir.
Okay, so I seem to be in a bit of a blind spot here, although, actually looking at the map, it's targeting all the other ships. Quite lucky here. Hey, yes! The Ori win again. Hello to the Ori.
That's it. We got him.
Right, I did not expect that. Impressive. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.